Hi, my name is Cece, and welcome to Inside Your Hustle, where we talk about potential ways to make you some side shmoney and save you some money as well. Are you ready?
Yes!
Hit it! Welcome to Inside Your Hustle. You could turn your side hustles into your main hustle. Are you someone with a passion for writing? Do you want to turn your writing skills into a profitable side hustle? Look no further. In this video, we'll explore 3 different side hustles specifically tailored for people with writing skills. Let's get started. The first side hustle is ghostwriting. One of the most lucrative side hustles for writers is ghostwriting. As a ghostwriter, you can write books, articles, or blog posts for clients who will publish them under their own name. This allows you to use your writing skills to help others while earning a handsome fee. To excel as a ghostwriter, develop excellent communication skills to understand your client's needs and voice. Building a strong portfolio of writing samples and networking with publishers and literary agents can also help you secure ghostwriting opportunities. You can get into this type of work through websites like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr. You can also attend writing workshops, conferences, and online writing communities to connect with potential clients and other writers. You can make bank from ghostwriting. Some people have even made more than $50,000 for one memoir. The second side hustle is being a movie review blogger. If you're a movie enthusiast with a knack for writing, starting a movie review blog can be an excellent side hustle. You can share your thoughts and opinions on the latest films, provide recommendations, and even monetize your blog through ads or affiliate marketing. To succeed as a movie review blogger, watch a wide range of films, from mainstream blockbusters to independent movies. Develop a unique writing style that engages your audience and helps them make informed choices about which films to watch. To get started, you need to join a blogging platform like WordPress, Blogger, or Wix. As it is your own blog, sky's the limit when it comes to how much you'll make, as long as you can gain a following. The third side hustle is freelance writing. Freelance writing is a versatile side hustle that offers a wide range of opportunities. You can write articles, blog posts, website copy, social media content, and more for clients in various industries. To thrive as a freelance writer, build a strong portfolio showcasing your writing skills and expertise in specific niches. Platforms like Upwork and Freelancer can help you find clients, or you can reach out directly to businesses and publications that may need your services. Entry-level freelance writers can earn around $20 to $100 for 1,000-word article, while intermediate freelance writers can earn around $100 to $300 for a 1,000-word article. Experienced and specialized freelance writers can earn $1 or more per word, which is $1,000 or more for that same 1,000-word article. Some highly specialized or technical writing can command even higher rates. Well, there you have it. 3 fantastic side hustles for people with writing skills. Whether you choose ghostwriting, freelance writing, or becoming a movie review blogger, remember to continuously improve your writing skills and market yourself effectively. And if you enjoyed this info, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe, share, hit the notification bell so that you can learn more about other side hustles. And remember, you are amazing. Bye-bye.